Ito pa lang si NBI Chief Cybercrime Unit, Vic Lorenzo. Magandang umaga sa iyo. Ang chismosong NBI, Vic Lorenzo. Taga Green Meadows ka pala, inutil ka. Ikaw may kagagawa nito, pinagkaisahan nyo si Francis Leo Marcos. Inciting to sedition in social class. Bakit? Nag-revenge ba sa mga mayayaman si Francis Leo Marcos? Inciting to sedition in social class to disturb the public. He's only encouraging kung sino yung mayayaman na kapitbahay kung gusto niyong tumulong. There is no inciting to sedition. Chismosong NBI ka, gawin mo trabaho mo.
On May 31st is the wedding anniversary of my father and my mother. Both are already passed away. Pero itong 31 is also important to me because it is the birthday of my daughter, si Mayor Sara. And Inday, alam ng ni nanay niya. When I was cuddling the baby, kasi Bisaya ako, I said I'd call her Inday, and she will be a mayor of Davao City. But I'm also the mayor. Tama. Only that ako dyan sa kanya. So, be true to your country, work hard for the people. And the rewards, as I think maybe are there made in heaven, not here. Trabaho ka lang and be good. Happy birthday.
Padala po sa akin ng message na isang bala lang ako. Right, go ahead. Tapos, ito pa lang si NBI Chief Cybercrime Unit, Vic Lorenzo. Magandang umaga sa iyo. Ang chismosong NBI, Vic Lorenzo. Taga Green Meadows ka pala, inutil ka. Ikaw may kagagawa nito, pinagkaisahan nyo si Francis Leo Marcos. Inciting to sedition in social class. Bakit? Nag-revenge ba sa mga mayayaman si Francis Leo Marcos? Inciting to sedition in social class to disturb the public. He's only encouraging kung sino yung mayayaman na kapitbahay kung gusto niyong tumulong. There is no inciting to sedition. Chismosong NBI ka, gawin mo trabaho mo. Pinilit mong i-convict si Francis Leo Marcos. Anong klaseng NBI ka? Kaya pala kinukutsaba mo yung mga journalist na bias. Panay ang interview mo sa mga bias na journalist. Mga ayaw kong magmura. Anak ng teteng punyemas kayo, inutil. Akalain mo yan, taga Green Meadows ka pala eh. Tapos sasabihin mo, inciting to sedition in social class. Do you know what does that mean? Inciting to inflict an act of hate against the rich. Did you see any hate from Francis Leo Marcos to hate his neighborhood? He never provoked anything to be incite to sedition. This person, Mr. Francis Leo Marcos, chismosong NBI ka talaga. Akalain mo, broadcast in the radio, broadcast anywhere, dahil cybercrime ka, cybercrime unit, that's bullshit. Inciting to sedition in social class. There are several performs the crime of sedition under of the revised penal code, one of which is to rise publicly and tumultuously by means of force, intimidation, or by other means outside of legal methods to inflict any act of hate and revenge against private person or any social class, or despoil any person of his property for any social end. I never seen any hate from Mr. Francis Leo Marcos when he do the video into this neighborhood. He is the resident of Green Meadows and he has right to do the video anywhere. Man, nakakagalit kayo. He has right to do because he is paying the dues of his communities where he used to live there in Green Meadows. So you are one of the officer of your community in the Green Meadows. That's why pinagkaisahan nyo si Francis Leo Marcos. Sasabihin mo pa, social class, inciting to sedition. I haven't seen any hate from Mr. Francis Leo Marcos to his neighborhood. He never provoked anybody into his neighborhood. He just only encouraged people if they can help to this pandemic crisis of COVID-19 to help the community. Masama ba yun? Ngayon pinagkaisahan nyo. Chismosong NBI ka. You should be out of your practice. Napaka-chismoso mo, tatawagan mo lahat ng radio broadcaster ng puro mga bias, inutil kayo. Anak ng teteng, punyemas kayo. Akalain mo yun? Taga Green Meadows ka pala? Good morning. Gets mo, mahal kita. Good morning, Annalyn from Switzerland. Good morning. So, akalain mo yun? Itong chismosong NBI na ito pala, taga Green Meadows. Anak ng kamote, oh. Kaya pala pinipilit mo inciting to sedition in social class, inflict and hate against to the rich people. I never see any hate from Mr. Francis Leo Marcos. He only encouraged, yung mga mayayaman dyan, gising kayo, pwede ba kayong tumulong? That is not disturbing the public. And whatever he do, he did not even disturb the government for giving away what he wants to give to the people. Please go back to your school. What is the inciting to sedition against rich if he did not even revenge? Wala siyang kagalit. There is nothing inciting to sedition about the social class. Anong klaseng NBI ka? Chismoso. You supposed to be the chief of chismosong NBI. Ikaw na yung pinaka-chismosong NBI. Tatawagan mo yung mga bias na journalist. Mga bias kayo. Mga leche. Inutil. Mga inutil kayo. Anak ng teteng, punyemas. Hindi nyo ba alam ang ginagawa nyo? Pinagkaisahan nyo yung tao. Kayo pala may gawa niyan eh. Tapos sasabihin nyo, a lot of crimes. Prove it. Inciting to sedition. He never have a hate from his personality to hate his neighborhood. He only encouraged the neighborhood to help if they can. And if you cannot give a help, just shut the fuck up. Norbels, Makmak. Hello everyone. Shout out to each and everyone. So kaya ikaw, Chief NBI Cybercrime Unit, Division of NBI National Bureau of Investigation, how scum you are. You degrade what is the NBI. You degrade who you are. inciting to sedition in social class. I never see, prove it. If Mr. Francis Leo hate his neighborhood, he pay his dues, and he has right to go around to his neighborhood because he is the resident of this said Green Meadows Ridge subdivision. You do not have right to condemn whoever the residents of that subdivision. And he never mentioned any name. As I see and review the video, he never mentioned any name of whoever residents of that subdivision. There is no such inciting to sedition that you will keep talking about. Inciting to sedition in social class. Fuck you all. Social class. Kaya na mga mahihirap, ganun ba? Dahil naiinggit kayo. Dahil si Mr. Francis Leo Marcos lang ang pwedeng tumulong. Silang ang nakagawa niyan. Sa buong mundo, I admire this person for being he is. And whatever case you put in him, that is your story to make. You degrade the NBI, Mr. Vic Lorenzo. Kaya pala lahat ng mga interview mo, puro mga bias. Puro mga bias na reporter. Mga journalist, ika nga. Pero mga bias, lahat kayo, inutil, anak ng teteng punyemas. Akalain mo yan, taga Green Meadows ka pala. So, sa Green Meadows, kayo ang may pangalanan. Kung sino man ang mayayaman sa Green Meadows, man, hindi nyo dapat gawin niya sa isang taong tumutulong. Dapat ay magpasalamat pa kayo. Dahil merong isang Francis Leo Marcos na tumutulong sa kanyang mga kababayan. Kahit mga frontliners, mga police officers, binibigyan niya ng pagkain. Ikaw, NBI na chismoso, may ibinigay ka ba sa mga frontliners? Bakit hindi kita tatawagin chismoso? You know that is the confidential information under your custody. Ipangangalandakan mo, hindi kanya yung bahay, hindi kanya yung sasakyan. That is gossiping. Dapat hindi ka nag-NBI, dapat nag-reporter ka din na chismoso. That is a very confidential. Kahit pa naka-under custody of the NBI, in your custody, you don't have no rights to disclose to whoever what is the status of this person under your custody. Unless he is under oath into the court in the front of the judge. And you have no rights. I don't care if you're the NBI. You degrade the NBI. And I'll tell you again, the fingerprinting of Mr. Francis Marcos has been in the NBI since when he got the passport. And now you retake the fingerprinting of him. What is that for? What kind of National Bureau of Investigation you have? And what kind of cybercrime unit you have? You don't understand what is the inciting to sedition in social class. He never disturbed the public to revenge his hate because he never been hate. I never seen to this person that he hates his neighborhood or anyone. Each and every one of you are the one who hates Mr. Francis Leo Marcos. What kind of National Bureau of Investigation? Man, nakakainit kayo ng ulo. Pinagkakaisahan niyo yung tao. That is not right. Dahil ba ko mo na mas maganda yung isang pilantropo? Pinainan nyo lahat ng kung ano ikakaso nyo. Lahat ng kaso, ilagay nyo patong-patong. Pero I don't buy it. Like I'm telling you, I am not the supporter of Francis Leo Marcos. I have nothing to do with this person. But I admire him for his advocacy, giving help to the community. Hindi nyo ba maintindihan yon? Yung nga binibigay ng gobyerno, ninanakaw pa ng mga ibang taong nasa gobyerno, mga barangay tanod, kapitan. even mayor, even congressman, aminin ninyo yan. Hindi nawawala yan sa lipunan ng gobyerno, mga korupsyon. Tapos ngayon, may isang taon lumabas, nainggit kayo, gagawa nyo na kung ano, no? Ichichismis ninyo. Hindi pa ba proven nyo na namigay siya ng ilang toneladang bigas para lang makalipas ang paghihirap ng ating mga kababayang nangangailangan? Anong klaseng puso meron kayo? Ha? Vic Lorenzo, isipin mo yung ginawa mo. Man, napaka-chismoso mo. Kaya pala, ang galing mo sa interview eh. Oh, hindi kanya yung bahay na yon, hindi kanya yung sasakyan. Oh, inciting to sedition in social class. Social class dahil social kayo? Mayaman kayo? Ha? Mayaman kayo? Men, yan ang hirap sa inyo sa mga mayayaman. Mamamatay din kayo kahit anong yaman ninyo dito sa mundo. Tandaan nyo, pagtuwid ng paa nyo, pare-parehas tayo. Hindi ako tumitingin sa mayaman kay mahirap. Tinitingnan ko ang katotohanan, ang tamang batas para sa taong pangkarapatan pantao. Pero hindi nyo binigyan ng karapatan pantao si Francis Leo Marcos dahil kinondenan ninyo kung ano-ano pinatong na kaso nyo sa kanya. Uulitin ko pa ba kung bakit siya nakakuha ng passport? Bakit yung binibigyan siya ng trafficking? Human trafficking? May mga proseso yan. Alam nyo naman yung batas. Nag-aral ka ng law. I don't care what kind of law that you study for. But sasabihan mo, citing to sedition in social class. Do you know what is the meaning? I never seen any hatred from Mr. Francis Leo Marcos. He only say in God wills, in his advocacy is to help. There is nothing to help into the community. Nainggit lang kayo. Saka hindi pa nga nahahatulan sa hukuman. Kung ano na pinagsasabi nyo, that is a confidential information. Even though the criminal, you cannot disclose to the public. If you know what is the law, that is a confidential information ng nasasakdal. By law. Man, I cannot understand what kind of mind you have. Napaka-chismoso mo. And B.I. Vic Lorenzo. At saka yung consulate diya sa France, pakitingnan nyo ito si J.R. Balico. Wala yan sa inyong database. Ang isang Pilipino wala sa database. Ibig sabihin noon, wala siyang proper documents to stay in France. Kaya ikaw, J.R. Balico, bago ka mangutya ng iyong kapwa-tao, tingnan mo muna ang sarili mo kung sino ka. Hindi mo kayang pantaya si Francis Leo Marcos. Dahil siya ay nag-iisa, kahit siya ay isang tawag nyo na kabayo, pero mas gusto ko pa mukhang kabayo kaysa mukha ninyo. Dahil may puso si Mr. Francis Leo Marcos. Hindi katulad nyo, ang puso nyo ay wala sa katawan nyo. Ang puso nyo ay nasa impyerno. J.R. Balico, ako ang puntahan mo dito sa Amerika. Magkasubukan tayo. Kung ano-ano sasabihin mo, bakla si Francis Leo Marcos. Bakit? Sinubukan mo ba ang titi niya? Bastos ka talaga eh. J.R. Balico, maghinay-hinay ka kung ano sinasabi mo. Dahil wala kang proper documents dyan sa France. Wala ka sa database ng Consulate Embassy ng Pilipinas. Kaya wag ka masyadong magyabang. Wag mo yabangan yung tao dahil hindi kanya inaano. Tumutulong lang si Mr. Francis Leo Marcos. I have nothing to do with this person, but what I see, kailangan niya ipaglaban ang kanyang karapatan. Ako, naandi dito, pinaglalaban ko ang karapatang pantao dahil hindi ko nakikita ang kabutihan ng gobyernong NBI. You degrade yourself. I can't believe inciting to sedition in social class. That is to revenge the hate to the rich people. But I never see any hate from him. He only wants is if someone, the richest, to help the community if they can. And if they cannot help, just be it. Hello, good morning, Michaela. Good morning to all of you. Good morning. Good morning, each and everyone. Sorry, I'm just kind of like screaming, but it is a matter of how the way of the, I don't understand how they handle this. I cannot believe it. I really cannot believe it. I wish I am there in the Philippines. Kung nandiyan na lang ako sa Pilipinas, Mr. Vic Lorenzo, papaimbestigahan kita. Ako mismo magpapaimbestiga sa'yo. Dapat iniimbestigahan ka, Mr. Vic Lorenzo eh. Di ba? Napaka-chismoso mo. Ikaw ang number 1 chismosong NBI. Biro mo, kung ano sasabihin mo sa mga bias na journalist. Kaya kayo mga lecheng, ayoko magmura, mga anak ng teteng punyemas, inutil na mga bias na reporter. Anong klase kayo? Lagi nila si Vic Lorenzo. Kaya pala, nakikita ko mostly everyday, Vic Lorenzo! Oh, ano nang status ni Francis Leo Marcos? Ayun, bida siya. Gusto mo maging bida pala. Vic Lorenzo, kung gusto mo maging bida, gagawin kitang artista. Man, I cannot believe this. I really cannot believe this. How you handle this process of this law. I cannot believe it. You know, this is a matter of how you trust the NBI. This is what you think, the National Bureau of Investigation. This is the way you can trust them. Dahil may inggit, gagawan ka ng kaso. Dahil pangit ka, gagawan ka ng kaso. Hindi ka magandang lalaki, gagawan ka ng kaso. What kind of people are you guys? Sobrang inggit ninyo sa tao. Dahil ang tao ginagawa ay kabutihan. Hahanapan nyo siya ng butas para siya ay malibing ng buhay. Huwag naman ganon. Lumabang kayo ng parehas. Lumabang kayo ng parehas. Wala kayong puso. Dahil ang puso ninyo ay nasa impyerno. Ang puso ni Mr. Francis Leo Marcos ay bilang makatao tumutulong sa mamamayang Pilipino. Like I told you again, I have nothing to do with this person, but I see as a good Samaritan with his advocacy to help the needy. That's the only thing I see from Mr. Leo Marcos. And I have nothing to do whatever he has done in his life in the past. Nothing. Intindihin nyo yun. Tapos isisisi yung mga passport, uulitin ko pa ba uli? Ha? Panoorin nyo yung last video ko. What is the passport process to? And what is this human trafficking all about? Man, I cannot believe that there is chismosong NBI dyan sa Pilipinas, National Bureau of Investigation, calling all the bias reporter. What is the status of Francis Leo Marcos? Yung isa dyan, Percy Lapid, tatawaging mukhang kabayo, ikaw na may mukhang aso. So, walang ganyanan. Ako ang tawagan yung mukhang kabayo, sisipain ko kayo. Mga inutil kayo, anak ng teteng punyemas. Yan, isang ako sa yan. Chismoso ka, Mr. Vic Lorenzo. I cannot respect the person who cannot be respected. You know? Hindi ko pwedeng marespeto, hindi respeto. Saka yung J.R. Balico, mag-ingat ka, kaibigan. Dahil tao ka din lang na pwedeng mamatay. Hindi lahat ng oras ay oras mo. May oras ka rin darating sa iyong buhay. Kaya tandaan mo yan, kaibigan. Huwag kang ganyan sa iyong kapwa-tao. Hindi ka nilamangan ni Mr. Francis Leo Marcos. Walang panlalamang na ginawa siya sa iyo. Kaya huwag mong idamay kung sino man. Kaya kung gusto mo mandamay, ako idamay mo. Nandito ako, puntahan mo ako dito. Hindi ako naghahamon ng away, pero susubukan ko na ako'y imbitahin kita, pumunta ka rito. Hindi yung kung ano-ano sinasabi mo. Patunayan mo na ikaw talaga isang lalaki. Kung ano-ano kinakaso nyo kay Mr. Francis Leo Marcos, ay hindi ko lang maintindihan din yung mga legal counsel ni Francis Leo Marcos. Puro takot siguro. Pero ako, wala akong kinatatakutan. Dahil ang aking sinasabi at ang aking nakikita, ang aking imumungkahi, ay kung ano lang ang aking naalisa, kung ano na sa aking isipan. Kaya kayo, mga walang puso, mga puso nyo na sa impyerno, hindi kayo makatao, sana'y tanggapin kayo sa purgatorio. Kahit hindi sa langit, sa purgatorio man lamang. Man, I just can't believe this. Sasabihin ko ulit, ipakukulong ko ang sarili ko. Ilabas ninyo yung taong yun dahil sa may kakayanan na ipaglaban ang kanyang karapatan. Hindi nyo kinokondena. Ikaw, Vic Lorenzo, chismis mo ako. Kahit sino dyan, mga bias na reporter, mga chismoso kayo. Mga inutil kayo. Dahil, bakit hindi ko kayo tatawaging inutil? Dahil ang inyong mga sinasabi ay hindi katotohanan. Puro bias kayo, one-sided. Kaya magsitigil kayo. Magbigay kayo ng magandang balita kung ating mga panahon ngayon na COVID-19, kung ating mga mamamayan ay nasa ayos na katayuan, meron silang kinakain, at kung yung mga mahihirap ay nangangailangan ng tulong, ay tulungan ninyo kayong mga mayayaman. Revenge hate ba yon? Inciting to sedition ba yon? Inciting to sedition ba yon? To ask someone of the rich people to help our kababayan. Inciting to sedition yon. Basahin mo, what is the inciting to sedition in social class?
Okay, thank you very much for watching. At sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe sa amin, maraming salamat po. At sa mga hindi pa na-subscribe, please subscribe to our channel para marami pa tayong magawa mga reaction videos at mga entertainment videos, okay? So, palagi ko sinasabi, just keep on dancing because dancing should be fun. Peace! Bye-bye!